In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit site header in Squarespace. Your site header is prime real estate. It's where visitors look first for your logo, site name, and main navigation, so getting it right makes a big difference. Let's walk through the essential adjustments step by step, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. Move your cursor over the header area and select Edit Site Header. This opens the header settings panel where all the controls you need are grouped in one place. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're on a page layout that actually displays the header, then try again. Next, head into the navigation section. Here, you'll see the items that appear in your menu. Click the pencil icon set to any item to edit it. This lets you change the label, update the link, or point it to a different page, a section on the same page, or an external URL. Keep labels short and clear so they're easy to scan, and make sure your most important pages like services or contact are easy to find. From this same area, you can rearrange the navigation bar. Simply drag items up or down to reorder them. Put high priority links toward the beginning of the list so they are more likely to be noticed. If your navigation feels crowded, consider trimming duplicates or consolidating similar pages. A clean, concise menu improves usability, especially on mobile. Now, let's adjust your site title. In the header panel, select the site title option and click the pencil icon. Update the text to match your brand name or the clearest version of it. Aim for something short enough to fit neatly in the header without wrapping. Your site title can also help with brand recognition, and in some templates may appear in the browser tab, so it's worth keeping it accurate and professional. If you use a logo, you can change the logo image here as well. Upload a high quality file. PNG works well for transparency, and SVG is great for crisp scaling when supported. Choose a version that's legible at small sizes and has good contrast against your header background. If your template offers a logo size control, adjust it until the logo is readable but not overpowering the navigation. Consistency matters. Try to use the same logo across your site and social profiles. When you're done, exit the header editor and confirm your changes. That's it. Your Squarespace header is now updated, clearer, and more aligned with your brand.